to work hard for yourself.
Hey.
Hi.
You know, I've been watching you for a while now. And, you look different from the rest of the girls. But you're not happy. Why?
Am I supposed to be? I don't like it here. I was brought here against my wish. Why would I be happy? Why?
Oh yeah, I understand your plight. But don't worry. Everything is going to be fine. Just fine.
Really?
Yeah.
You're not the son of this devil. You should help me out of this, please. Please. Beg of you.
I'm sorry I can't. My hands are tied. You see, my mom is a very strict woman, at the same time very dangerous. If you try anything stupid, it might cost you your life. Unfortunately, she can't do anything to me. She can't kill me. But you? She's going to kill you. That's for sure.
So I'm stuck in here then? What? Is that what it is?
No, it's not what it is. I'm actually here for you. Alright?
That was supposed to be a relief, I guess.
Maybe.
Thank you.
Inside life no they balance at all.
You're welcome.
Some are free, some are in bondage because of their quest for money. Them go promise you, say the journey go easy, but when you come, story go change. Oh, take life be change. No do pass yourself. No one knows what tomorrow brings. Be careful what you hear. Everybody wants to make money. Oh, yeah. Want to get the best from life. Oh, yeah. But all the glitters and never gold. So open your eyes and see. Follow life with that. Oh, no do pass yourself. Oh, no one knows what tomorrow brings. Be careful what to do. Follow life with that. Oh, pass yourself. Oh, inside life no they balance at all. Some are free, some are in bondage because of their quest for money.
There she is. I've lost my appetite.
I don't understand this. They're making us eat like animals. They're treating us like animals. What do we have to do that to get this?
Babes, the girl should chill. That woman is very wicked. If we try anything stupid, she's going to kill us. So just chill and eat me. I've lost my appetite.
Esther is right. Everybody should calm down. One day, we all will get out of this place. I don't know how it will happen, but I believe that one day, God will send a Messiah that will take us out from this place. I just pray so.
You see, my friend, these girls are making a hell of money for me.
Yes, so. They are your money making machine.
You can say that again. Of course they are. Huh? Oh, poor girls. What do they know? Who can ever help them when they ask for help?
Nobody.
Nobody. Nobody. You see, I am going to make them suffer.
Talking of suffering, my friend, I'm broke. I need you to help me with some money to sort out some things. Please don't say no.
I don't get it. You are broke.
Yes, I am.
No, you can't say that. With all this beauty that I'm seeing here, come on, are you not using what you have to get what you want?
Yeah, I do, but I do.
Never mind, it's okay. It's what a friend can do for a friend.
Exactly.
I will do that for you.
What?
You are my best friend, so
You will do it for me?
anything for you.
You see, this is why I love you. You are the best. Oh my God. Cheers.
Oh, cheers, baby!
Cheers. Oh
Aww.
my God.
So, how has it been all this while?
Very fine. Managing. No. So when am I?
Wow. Let me feel your vibe. Come on.
Hey, bro.
Wow. I'm not watching you this morning.
How are you?
I'm good. Wow.
Well,
I was just watching you here now before you entered.
are you serious?
Obviously, I'm just seeing your handwork here.
Thank you.
Wow, congratulations on your new award.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you, sis.
I am so happy. I am so excited. This just feels so unbelievable. I cannot wait to go on live and thank my fans officially because they made this come through.
Absolutely. I was just seeing on that vibe. But tell me, when are we going to celebrate? Are we going to celebrate? When are we going to celebrate?
Definitely, you know me. We'll definitely celebrate. But for right now, I need to get in, freshen up, and we'll talk about it.
Go and shower. After you, I will go.
Alright.
Alright. Love you.
Love you.
Wow, that is good. I love it. Madam Flora.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You're not looking bad.
Oh, beauty as always.
How's business general?
Well, It's going on well.
You even change your light.
We always do this renovation to suit your taste.
Well, Madam Flora, like I told you on phone, I came back last night from Abuja. So I decided to come and have fun with your girls before I go back to Abuja.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you.
Can I say that again?
Let me guess. You miss my girl.
You only miss? I miss those children. They are something else.
Cheap.
You know, this time around, I'll have 2 of them tonight.
Well, if you want 2 of my girls, you have 2. You know how we do it. You will pay for the girls and also pay for the room.
So how much are we talking about now, Madam Flora?
You know, there is nothing too difficult for Chief.
You can say that again, Madam Flora.
Well, it's a token fee of 2 million naira.
2 million naira? Wow, that won't be a problem. Okay? You will get the room ready and the girls also. Immediately, I will transfer the money to your account.
Oh, that's very wonderful. You know, money stop nonsense.
You can say that again, Madam Flora. When there is money, there is life.
There is life.
Life sweet with money.
Of course.
You can say that again. I'm still waiting.
All right, Chief. I'm gonna call my guard to get the guests ready and the VIP room. Okay?
Please do. I'm waiting.
All right. I'll do that now.
Madam Flora. This woman.
Wizard! Wizard!
Jesus. Who will not kill you? Jesus. These people will not kill you. Jesus. Whenever I see these guys, I will be scared. Especially seeing them with guns. It scares me most. Jesus. Why should pour me water?
Maybe I've taken them to see the clients, you know.
Maybe. Oh, you're on point.
Today I will live here. I'm going to give testimony.
I swear. These guys are... Especially this one. He's so sarcastic. Hi.
You both are beautiful. Wow! Your madam said it. You know, I gave your madam 2 million. So if you book cooperate, I will give you both another 2 million. That's 1 million. Are you sure that you are ready for this?
Yeah, we are ready.
Are you sure? Is there any problem?
No, we are good.
Are you?
Good.
Can we go to the business?
Sure.
Are you sure? Are you sure? You people are not happy. What is it? Tell me I'm chief. If you come to Abuja, they call me chief of all chiefs. Eh? I will give you whatever you want. So just be free and talk to chief. And you, come back, come close to Chief now.
Seriously, I don't know what his problem is. Darrington do not want to be useful in his life. What am I even saying? All of you children don't want to be useful.
Really, Mom? What have I done again? I'm different from them, Mom.
Says who? Says someone that calls me virtually every week to send money to her. And now you are back home. Why did you come back?
Well,
Hello? Yes, speaking. Oh, okay. I will do just that. Yes. Business as usual. Bishop!
Madam Flora!
A client is coming over, and I would want you to get one of the girls ready.
Yes, madam. I will do exactly as you've instructed.
Wow! You just get ready here. That's my secret.
Thank you. You're welcome. She'll be with you shortly. All right.
You're welcome, Mr. Stanley.
Thank you very much.
So you cannot transfer the money. I've instructed my guards to prepare a wonderful place for you and a wonderful lady as well.
Oh, good. So how much are we talking about here?
Alright, since you want one girl and a very wonderful accommodation, your fee is 1 million naira.
Excuse me?
You bum?
No. It's just that that money is too much. I can afford 500,000, 500,000 naira.
You have 500,000 naira?
You heard me.
Excuse me, please. Mr. Man, just take a look at this wonderful place. A beautiful edifice like this. Does it look like those cheap chalets, motel, brothel that you go get cheap ladies, akapa ladies? Does it look like it? Well, what I have is young blood, young, decent girls. Anyway, let me help you. You can give me the 500,000.
Oh, thank you. Please, can I have your details? I mean, your account number.
You don't have it cash?
You don't expect me to be moving around with cash.
Just 500,000. Okay, there's a problem. I will instruct my guard to give you my account.
Okay.
You can go now. The room by the left.
I show me no disrespect. Can your guards at least take me there?
That service is for only the VIPs.
Oh,
Go before I change my mind.
I'm sorry.
Poor Dick.
This is not fair. This is wrong now. How can this woman leave this kind of comment on my post?
Who is she?
Take a look. One ugly looking lady like that. That I do not deserve to win and that I cheated.
Sis. She's just a mere critic. Eh? She might be paid for this. You know how people are.
This is not fair. This is not fair. I worked hard for this competition. You know now, the sleepless nights.
See, she is just simply jealous. She is simply jealous of your achievement. Take a look at yourself. What were you expecting to start with? You were expecting her to fold her arms and you are prospering this, You check them now. They are just mere critics. That's it.
Well, I worked hard for this. People will just sit down in their house, carry their phone and just type very mean words.
But you know you are the best, right? Adam Mam. You know you are the best. Eh? So tell me, why wouldn't they even get jealous? I mean, me looking at you the way you are now.
Is the AC on? Because this place is just suddenly
so you're not Let me tell you, you are simply the best, sis.
Thank you.
Honestly. You should imagine anytime you are walking, man. Hey, the glorious walking. The glorious walking. The glorious walking. Don't bother about these people, man. They're just jealous of their achievement. That's just it.
Alright. I'm not going to lie her.
Oh, I'm even saying that now.
You saw it, right?
Maybe let me fight for your enemies.
No, they're going to see your name.
No, don't worry. I'll just ignore her. She's just trying to seek for attention, unnecessary attention like that. She wants to become a celebrity overnight. We're not going to give her that space.
would you kill an innocent man? He doesn't look innocent to me. Why did you kill him? Because he slept with my daughter. He crossed his line. No, he didn't. I started it. You went too far, Mom. God! How can you allow that thing to touch you? You killed a man because you caught him sleeping with your daughter. Meanwhile, you locked up other people's children. Sleeping with different men. You turned them into your money-making machine. You are heartless, Mom. How dare you use such word on your mother? Take that word back right now. I'm sorry, Mom. I will take it back. Vivian! This man's spirit needs to die the second time. Who can give me the information about his family? I need to wipe them all.
I have a gift for you.
Really?
Yes, but before the gift, we'll give you a range to cool off your nerves.
Okay, please do. I'm thirsty, I'm thirsty.
I'm coming, baby.
Okay. Thank you, baby. Oh.
You like it?
Your range is so sweet. Oh. Where did you get it from?
From my junction.
Really?
Yes.
I hope you still have more.
Yes,
I want more. Don't you want some?
I'm okay, baby.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, babe. I thought you said you have a gift for me. Where's the gift?
Chill now, I'll give it to you. It's yours. Just
Babe, come on now. You know I don't like it when you tell me you have a gift for me.
baby, I will give you a gift.
Okay. Oh. I'm really enjoying this orange. It's so sweet. Oh. It is so sweet. When I don't even have enough, you are falling down. Hey. Is there something inside this orange? What? Baby, what's this? What? Baby, I am so mad at you. Baby. Thank you so much.
Please, where are we?
My dear, we are in Miss Flora's house.
Why are they holding us hostage? I don't get it.
She's using us to make money.
How?
Men they have to have us.
Oh please, goodness me. That's a mess.
Yeah, it is. Are you guys okay with it?
No, not. Of course we are not.
My dear, how can we be okay where we are not gaining, not making money from it? Huh?
She doesn't even pay us the money. Feeding here is war. To feed here is a problem. That woman is a total package of a wish.
I'm telling you.
Don't tell your voice. You can't carry the noise. I say you.
That's total bullshit. Like, I can't even imagine sleeping with any other man in this house. I will never try it. What nonsense. Yeah, we know though.
My sister, you have to
Learn what? Oh God.
Oh, come on, we are just going.
Like, this is too bad. I mean, very bad.
Welcome to Madam Flora's house, where your back is on the ground and the cash is on her finger.
I'm not welcome. I'll be going back to school tomorrow.
Wonderful news. That's alright.
But I'll be needing some money for my textbooks and handouts.
Young lady, I am not giving you any dime. I sent 500,000 naira into your account before you returned home.
I know, Mom, but I used it for something else.
Then find a way and sort yourself out.
You're so ridiculous. I can't believe it.
You better believe it too. Because it's happening.
See, babes, I know that we have been here since morning and we're not happy about it. Let's just have fun.
What's she talking about?
I'm also confused.
See, what I'm saying is that we should turn up this room into a fun room. We can dance, we can sing, we can also play.
Oh, that's a good idea. I think I like that idea. What do you guys think? Una go just open her mouth. Wow, nonsense go dey come off on her mouth.
Guys, I have been thinking, since this man wants us to be sleeping with men, then let's start the game.
What do you mean? I'm not the game with the place. So my back is already on the ground.
What I mean is that we should start charging them ASAP.
Okay. But how can we do that? You know they always pay Miss Flora before meeting us. So
See, let's play this game along. If we have a client, let's try and give them our best.
Oh, what was that?
Not alone. Let's play this thing alone. Let's be cooperative. You know these guys of these days, when they're in the mood, they can do whatever thing you want them to do, provided that you give them what they want.
Bianca has a point, though. Guys, let's grab this opportunity.
That's true. Since she won't pay us, we'll make the money ourselves.
Oh, I'm also in, guys.
Nothing here. That's great. So, we are good to go. Yeah, good to go.
oh, big business people. Oh.
Hey. Look who's home, Mom. What's up?
What are you doing here?
What sort of question is that? I can bump in here anytime I want. Alright?
Anything. I don't want you guys around me. You know the kind of business I do. And they want me. If they can't get me, they'll go through my children.
Then why don't you start something legit, Mom? You've made a lot of money from that. Start something legit and let it pull breathe, please.
Good.
And this was not the kind of welcome I was expecting, Mom. Come on.
My friends, like I told you, she's the best on this game. Huh? She has been making things easy for us lately. Madam Flora, I can't wait to see what she has got.
Yes. I hope they will do well this time.
They will.
Of course, they will. In fact, I have instructed my guards to prepare the best room, the VIP rooms for you guys, and then the best ladies. I have young, innocent ladies for you guys.
I told you that she's the best. You said so.
You said that.
God, the money is not the problem. Got to enjoy ourselves.
Yes.
We're still alive.
Yes.
Experience is talking.
Madam Flora.
Life is worth living well.
That is true. What is this life?
Hello. Good afternoon. I am fine. Please, I want to ask you, is Angela with you? I've been trying her line since yesterday, not reachable. No, she's not with me. Please, do you know any of her friends you can call to know if she's with them? Alright, please. I'll be waiting. Thank you.
Baby, I heard you guys are doing an amazing job here. I want to see what you've got for me.
Well, I'll show you what I've got, but you'll pay me.
I paid ₦1 million for you and for the room.
Is that what she charged you?
Yes.
It's not too much.
That's alright. I'm still rich. You got no problem. I will give you no problem. There's no problem.
Well, you'll pay me 200,000 now.
200,000 naira. Provided you make me happy.
Sure.
I'll give it to you. You got no problem. You want it cash or transfer?
Cash.
Cash? Just a minute.
Chief.
You happy with that?
Chief.
You got no problem.
I'll take care of you.
Money is not the problem.
Better sit my money killer.
And I'll give you.
I'll take care of you.
I said I'll give you more.
You hear anything about her?
Not at all. What about you?
I've not heard anything.
Where could she be? Where is my sister?
Why is it that she was kidnapped or what?
If she was kidnapped, they would have caught by now.
What then must have happened to her?
We have to keep praying. Wherever she is, may God protect her.
Amen.
Amen. Gosh. This is too much.
Alice, you were supposed to be here yesterday. What happened?
My dear, I couldn't make it. My sister is missing.
Missing? How?
She's nowhere to be found. And I'm worried.
So sad. Sorry about that, okay? If you ever need anything from me, you know I am only one call away. Okay?
Alright. Thank you.
Cheryl. Thank God. Alright?
Okay.
It's okay.
Follow life with no one knows what tomorrow brings. Be careful what to do. Follow life with
Cheryl. No, it's not the end of life.
Inside life no the balance at all. Some are free.
My client told me that you girls are now doing well, unlike before. That's quite impressive. Good job. Nice. Keep it up. And because of this singular act, I am going to grant you girls freedom. Freedom of coming out of the compound. Freedom of walking around the compound freely. Not going out of the compound though. That's not what I said. Now let me sound a note of warning. Now if any one of you tries anything stupid, trust me, and I'm going to sniff life out of that person. Meanwhile, where is that stupid girl, Angela?
She's sleeping upstairs.
Sleeping as always. Lazy and lousy idiot. I don't even know where they got that riffraff for me. Nonsense. Anyway, I will teach her a lesson she will never forget for not answering my car. Now, get out, all of you. Get out!
Some are free, some are in bondage because of their quest for money. Then go promise you, say the journey go easy, but when you come, story go change. Oh, take life with it. No one knows what tomorrow brings. Be careful what to do. Follow life with it. No do pass yourself. Inside life no the balance at all. Follow life with it. No do pass yourself. No do pass yourself. Because you go find yourself.
Hey.
Hi.
You know, I've been watching you for a while now. And, you look different from the rest of the girls. But you're not happy. Why?
Am I supposed to be? I don't like it here. I was brought here against my wish. Why would I be happy? Why?
Oh yeah, I understand your plight. But don't worry. Everything is going to be fine. Just fine.
Really?
Yeah.
You're not the son of this death. You should help me out of this, please. Please. I confused.
I'm sorry I can't. My hands are tied. You see, my mom is a very strict woman, at the same time very dangerous. If you try anything stupid, it might cost you your life. Unfortunately, she can't do anything to me. She can't kill me. But you? She's going to kill you. That's for sure.
So I'm stuck in here then? What? Is that what it is?
No, it's not what it is. I'm actually here for you. Alright?
That was supposed to be a relief, I guess.
Maybe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Some are free, some are in bondage because of their quest for money. Then go promise you, say the journey go easy, but when you come, story go change. Oh, take life be change. No one knows what tomorrow brings. Be careful what you take. Don't do pass yourself. Inside life.
God, I don't know. This is 1 week now. I've heard from this girl. Eh? What kind of love is this? She will not call. Her number will not go. And I don't even know that this is her boyfriend's house. I don't even know who to call. Hey, what kind of love visit is this one? And this girl wants you. Hello? Eh? Okay. What time are you going? No problem. Make sure you come back on time. Is he dropping you? Okay. You know me now. Me and Suya. Tell him I said you should buy me suya because is it your money? Alright. Okay, no problems. Alright, I'll be waiting for you. You said 10 o'clock. I'll not sleep until I see you. Okay. I have a gist. Correct gist for you. So if you want to hear the gist, you must come back this night. If you don't want to hear it tomorrow, then okay. No problem, darling. Alright. I'll be waiting. I'm not going to eat until you come back, so it's the suya that is going to be my night food. Okay. Alright, bye.
Ah, babe. What's up?
Fine, you're back. Welcome.
Why is your face like this now?
I'm fine. I'm okay.
I'm tired though. Babe, what's up now? What's up with the job hunting? Any gists? Any news?
The woman said that her husband does not want anybody for now. That I should wait for the next 2 months. So tell me, what will I now be doing at home for the next 2 months? Without money? Oh God. I don't know. I'm tired though. I'm tired.
Just calm down, okay? I'll also be telling all these my customers that comes to my POS machine to withdraw money. I'll be telling them about you. Do you understand? I'll just be putting 1 or 2 words for them. If there is any vacancy, they can always call you. Okay? Just calm down now. You shouldn't be thinking that much, please.
Okay, no problems. Thank you.
Meanwhile, is there anything in the kitchen? I'm famished. I'm
There's
very hungry.
Nothing in the kitchen.
Huh? Which one be that one now? What about the soup I left in the morning?
I was very hungry when I got back, so I just had to eat. But don't worry, there's bread. Just eat the bread, please, and manage it. And I'll be making soup tomorrow. I still have 2,500. I'll give you the ATM to withdraw it for me. Tomorrow I'll use the next more soup. I'm sorry, please.
It's not even bread I want to eat. I won't swallow. I'm very, very hungry now. Babe, but just calm down. You're thinking too much these days. Babe, see, I thought of something.
What's that?
I was thinking maybe you should join me in my POS business.
Join you in your POS business?
Yes, I can create a space for you.
How possible is that?
It is very possible. You start up something in a small way.
Have you forgotten you're talking to a graduate?
This is not about being a graduate. It's about doing something. Eh? You don't need to be a graduate or non-graduate to start up something that will be getting you small money daily. Even if you don't know how to do it, I will teach you. I will create a space for you. Start up something. You will meet people there. You can still be talking to people there and all that.
I just want to thank you for your concern. But the truth is that POS stand is not a place I will see the caliber of people I need to connect me to the kind of job I'm looking for.
Babe, stop now. Who does not come to POS to withdraw money?
Not everybody.
Everybody comes there, both big man, both small. What's that now? Come on now. You wouldn't know. You know the world is very small.
Someone can be on this guys, you wouldn't know that the person has something. Someone can be on this guys, you wouldn't know that the person can take care of you or afford what you need. Please don't be in a hurry to neglect people. I can always teach you, give you one stand there, you start it something, just start something and you see something will be coming out before you know it. I am making it though, don't mind this POS thingy. That's where I'm getting all this small money looking so fine like this. Do you know how much I make daily? Come on now, you don't even need, I don't even need you to think about, just follow me. Tomorrow you're following me. You cannot be staying in this room now. It makes you to think, and at the end of the day, you achieve nothing. Follow me. I will show you. Then you can be talking to people while you're doing the business. You can be speaking to people. Who knows? Nobody knows. You can a helper can come from there, and you give the person your certificates or your credentials, and you start from there. But you see, in this room, you're not going to stay here again. You need to come out, please.
I'll think about it.
You're not thinking. You're following me to work tomorrow. Please now. Please.
Do you remember that woman I told you that I met that day I went to the market? Okay. I spoke with her on the phone today. You know, she told me she has a big shop she wants to put somebody. And she said she wants a graduate. So she called me this early morning that I should come. So I'm thinking of going there by 9.
Interesting. I wish you good luck.
Thank you. I'll be going there by 9.
It will soon be 9 o'clock, but is it what you're going to wear to go there?
What is wrong with me?
I don't understand. This thing is not good now.
No, but you're gonna gown.
So what? Wear something better now. Look sharp. Look smooth. You know, when you come in, you attract the weather. Attract the environment, not this look. I don't like it.
So you want me to dress well so that I'll go there? The woman will now say I want to collect her husband.
Collect her husband? What is your problem, this girl? Your good girl will not kill you.
I should collect her husband.
Collect her husband.
Who collect her husband?
Collect her husband.
You collect her husband.
I don't do that. Collect her husband.
Okay, me, I do that.
See, I know your brainy. This your brainy, they worry you way.
That's why you should know that that woman is not looking for who will look sharp. And all that woman is looking for is here.
Babe, wait, you are going to a shop, right? And people are meant to look at you when they buy things. And with this thing now, first of all, if it's me, okay, let me tell you the truth. If it's me that is employing people like this, and you come with this kind of look, you go there, you will just go and tell you, I don't need anybody.
Okay, so if you want to employ somebody, you employ somebody that will take your husband.
It's not about taking my husband. I need you to look smart, look good. Yes, your brain is there, but look good, so that when the woman see you, she will like, this my shop is going to sell more. A girl sells things that is in the shop. With your look and your brain, you're good, is a go. See, let me tell you, do you know why I look good whenever I want to go to my POS shop? A lot of people neglect all these POS people. So anytime I want to go, I'll dress well. You see my makeup bag now? I will make sure I paint this face very well. Of course, I have a very beautiful face, so apply more makeup makes it. Even when people don't want to withdraw money, they will say, look at that girl, just go this 1,000 and they will withdraw. Yes, don't be doing chai for me. I'm not in the office.
Is that the reason you're always bringing out this bag anytime you want to? You'll be making up like you're going for a photo shoot.
Yeah. Yes.
Now I know your secret.
You better don't touch my bag. You better don't touch my bag.
I am not touching your bag. You see this bag, I am not touching it to use it. I'm touching it to hide it. So that you'll be serious with your business.
Don't touch my bag. This is where all some of my money is going. Don't touch my bag. Just go and look good. I'm helping your life. You're my very good friend. It's all these good girls. They will think that they are brainy, so that their brain will now make way for them. Your look will also make way for you. Look good, attach it to your brain. It's a go for you. That's why you see me looking smart, oh. When they see me, say, this girl is fine. Let's just redeem this 1,000 naira. They will be sure making my money daily. What is that? Eh? You're very stubborn. I don't like that part in you.
Thank you.
Stop being stubborn. Eh? If you want me to help you and make you up, can I?
Make you up.
Bring your face.
I beg you, go walk. Oh.
Baby, let me come and be going. Wish me luck. Let me wish you luck as well.
Good luck.
Good luck. Good girl.
Are we going there right now?
Change this rubber gown. I don't understand this your gown, I beg.
That's what I'm wearing. I don't know what you're saying. They want the woman to say that I want to take her husband. Who do I call? Who do I call? Okay. Yes, I have Nneka's number. Hello? Nneka, how are you doing? Yes. No. Yes, she's fine. She's fine, but the thing is that she left the house to her boyfriend's house for 5 days now, and I've not heard from her. Her boyfriend's number, I don't have it. Her number is not going. Did she contact you? Hey. Okay, okay, don't worry. I think I have to just go and contact the police. Because I don't at this point I don't know. She has not done this kind of thing before. Anytime she goes to her boy, sometimes she stays there for 2 weeks. It's not a problem. But this time now, she's not connecting with anybody. It's strange. You think I should not? Another 2 days. Let me hold on now for another 2 days, but me, I'm not getting myself here. I'm not getting myself here. This is somebody that just left the house and she called me that she'll be going to her boyfriend's house. All of a sudden, her number is not going again. Eh? It's okay, no problems. I've heard what you said. Let me wait for another 2 days, but then it's going to be difficult for me. Oh. Okay. Alright, thank you. Don't tell your mom. Don't tell her. Don't tell her, please, so she will not be worried. Okay. Alright. Thank you. Bye then.
Oh my God. No way! No way! Bro, I just received a mail from Pretty and Pink Talent. They want me to become their modeling agent. Can you believe that?
Really?
Yes! This is a big deal. You don't understand. They want me to source, groom, and, recruit model for them. Then I'll get a raise.
Wow. That must be a very wonderful, honor to you.
Yes, this
I'm
is
so happy
big.
for you. Indeed big. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is lovely.
I know, right?
But how do you intend to get girls? I mean, how do you intend to?
That one is very easy now. At least
Really?
I know like 3 of my friends who wants to be model.
Okay.
Then we could get more from the streets. Yes, there are lots of potential young girls on the streets. We'll just source for them.
Treat you sexes.
Yes.
Oh, sorry to shock you. There is no girl in the street. I mean, a beautiful girl in the street. Now, no.
Why would you say that?
Because all the pretty ladies I know are in the front zone.
What is fun zone?
They are all at Mrs. Flora's house.
Who is Mrs. Flora?
Mrs. Flora is a very wealthy woman. Well, rumor has it that the woman kidnaps beautiful girls. Yes. And convert them to money-making machines.
I don't understand. How?
Oh, see, it's too much questions.
Come on.
Too much questions. She brings them to her house. Well, she collects money from men and makes them sleep with them.
What?
Exactly.
What?
That is just it.
Wait, you being serious that this kind of crime is happening in this country and nobody's doing anything about it? But also this Mrs. Flora, why is she still moving freely? I mean, why is she not yet arrested?
Says, arrest you say.
Uh-huh.
That's not possible. Because she's very wealthy. Do you know how the country is? I mean, nobody's gonna interrogate her. She's damn fucking wealthy. She's so wealthy. I mean, nobody can even challenge her. She'll just easily get them right, you know. I'm just surprised you don't know about Mrs. Flora. Huh? Come on. But that shouldn't bother you.
Yeah.
Oh, it shouldn't. It's their business. Hello, sis.
Hello.
Hi. Ta-da.
Oh, are they?
Surprise, surprise, surprise. Hmm?
Yeah.
Well, they are your models.
Oh my God! Please sit down. You are welcome. Hello, my manners. You're welcome. Thank you. Oh, so nice to meet you. You're welcome once again. What's the name? Please.
Amanda. Beauty.
I'm Faith. I am Cindy, and you are welcome once more.
Cool.
How did you pull this off?
Trust me, I just feel like surprising my sweetie.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. So do you love them?
Of course.
Oh, really?
I love them. It's
That
just that
is
we
good.
need to do little walk here and there, and they'll be good. So please, what do I?
Leave that for me. Leave that for me. Leave that for me. Trust me.
Alright. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Forward and you're now slightly beside, like C, an L, rather. So you don't come backwards, moving back, and this. Yeah, that's it. See off. Yeah, shoulders up. Exactly. So I'm going to walk, and then you see, like this. Walk on a straight line, swing those hips. Remember to keep your face up, chin up, shoulders high. Then you turn like that, and then walk right back. Remember to take a pause, then come right back. Your feet same way. Alright? So now we're all gonna walk together and come back. Alright? So let's go. 1, 2, 3, go, girls. Shoulders high, chin up. Hold your breath. Hold. Good. So we're all gonna make sure we are standing right, like an L shape. This leg comes back a little bit. There you go, like that. There, like that. Awesome. So now we're gonna walk, get to the end, take a pose, turn around, and come back. So I will see you all walk, right? So your baby girl, do the first one. Come on. Yeah. You're not walking on a straight line, you're walking, see, you walk all the way like this. So you have to maintain the straight line because if it's on the wrong way, it's going to be on the straight line. You don't want to walk it like this. So come again. Hurry up, let's do it, girl. Okay. So on this straight line, walk, check your pose, turn around and go. Let's go. Action. Chin up. There. Yes. What? Yes. Awesome. Good. So that's how we walk now. Same thing, same routine. Chin up. Remember, shoulders high. Lower abdomen. Stretches in. So let's go. Yeah, you got it. Work. There. Spin around. Right back. Swing those hips. Yes. Good. So let's have you work. There. There. There you go. Come on. You are not walking on a straight line. You walk all the way back. So now we're all going to walk together. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, go! Shoulders high, chin up. There. Hold first. Then turn around. Let's go. Always remember to stop. Yes, always remember to stop before you turn. Alright? So we got it? Are we good? Yes. So let's do it again. One more time, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Remember, next shoulder high. Forward. There. Keep your stand straight. Turn around. Pause again. Walk. Swing those hips. Pause again. Turn. Awesome! I think we're all doing good, right? Yeah. It wasn't difficult. I think we're good. High five. Good girl. Yeah.
Take this back. You and the girls should share the clothes in there equally. No fighting. Okay?
Okay, ma.
Alright.
Inside life no dey balance at all.
Where is Bianca go to?
I don't know, she left a while ago.
She said,
Look, there's no rushing, I'm hot. I want to have my bath.
So you're excited, what is it? Babe, what's up? This why you keep your face like dog when never chop. What's up?
Sorry.
What's up with the bag? Be coming down. Clothes. Flora bought clothes for us. Be coming down. See clothes. See.
I don't understand. Like,
Hey!
no one. Give me this one. Give me this one.
Wow.
Collect clothes now. What's your problem?
I'm not interested.
Hey! Almost see.
You're not
Almost
interested.
see
I don't
clothes.
understand.
Hey!
Collect clothes, Joe. This one.
Hey!
You guys are not
You
serious.
can wear this one.
Hey!
Hey!
Babe, you are going to be looking hot.
Hey! I go call for
Who the password? Give this madam, Joe.
Can you check him? Who they breathe?
Fine, I like it.
I love this one.
See, you have two. You have to give her one.
I'm not interested.
If I wear this one, come out.
understand.
Hey!
Okay, I'll take.
I am not interested. Now you should stop.
Auntie, take now. Take
No,
no,
babe, you are going to be looking hot these days.
I beg, wait. What's the color of your problem?
You guys are more interested in being hot.
Why
Like,
would I
you
be
don't get
happy?
to think of a way to get out of here. People are interested in being hot.
Hey, if you will begin to wear like uniform. Give me this thing. Give me.
Auntie, take now.
I'm not interested.
Give me. Don't worry.
Give
I will take.
How
many you carry? Not before.
I will not. No, I love everything. Don't worry.
Give me.
I'm going to be changing.
Who else has
Every
extra?
day.
Let me see that one.
Extra. No, who else has extra?
I go cut hold up. I go cut
Big
hold
one.
up.
Give
You guys are not.
She need help. She does not want. Leave her.
I beg, leave her now. Leave her.
I don't understand.
Maybe if you beg God, God will help you.
This thing will be your uniform now.
I beg, rest. Sit down.
You guys are being serious right now, right?
What is the name of your problem?
See, in this place, I just want to suffer in peace. I don't want any trouble.
Hey, suffer in peace now. What is it?
Tenita, what's your problem now? Why do you want and want my clothes?
Your clothes. Did you come here with any clothes? I don't understand.
I don't understand. This is my clothes and you know it fits me well. You know it fits me more than
What shall this is your clothes? Please, I have the right to wear anything I want in this place. You didn't come here with any clothes.
And so,
Please, don't disturb me.
Your name written
Can you imagine, what is it? Madam bought this dress for everyone. Anyone has the right to wear any clothes.
Was your name written on it?
I tell you,
Was your name written on this
leave
dress?
me alone, no, I
Don't
beg.
come and carry your frustration on my life.
Pull out my
Don't say that thing against me, please. Don't say it. Don't always get to insult me. What do you mean of that?
Let's go. You know our normal reaction. So, cross your leg, your hand, facial reaction, smile, move. Are you free? Yeah. Are you good? Yeah. 1, 2, ready, go. So, Faith, let's see you. So, Faith, let's go. Just relax. Cross your leg. Breathing. Facial reaction. Go, girl. 50. Let's go. You guys, you have good.
Hi guys, hello everyone. Good afternoon. Oh, get the list. Yes, okay. So I'm going to introduce our new member. This is Igwe and this is Amanda. They will be joining us. You're welcome. Don't worry, come be comfortable, relax. You're fine, alright? Please take hands. Amanda, please, you will help me show them around, sister. I'm Brian. I trust you to give the girls a drill, you know. Alright, guys, have some fun. I'll see you all later. I know what you can do. Feel free, alright? Okay, I'll see you all later.
Welcome, girl.
Thank you.
What's your name? You're welcome. Amanda, right?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You guys are welcome. This is our normal class. I think just to stand well. So just feel free. Igwe, cross your leg. Your right leg on the front. Your hand, your left hand on the way. Yes. Your facial reaction. Smile. Take your time and extra breathing. Yeah. Then let's see how you guys will catwalk. Let's go. 3 of us. And to go now. 1, 2, ready, go. So you can, now you're okay, right? But little, it is hard. I'm good. That is how it hard for Beauty when she came here. So as time goes on, you guys need to see. So let's all of you go. Beauty, you can. Amanda, it's your turn now to do the wrong way. Then cross your leg, your right leg on the front, your hand on your hips, facial reaction, smile. Let's go. 1, 2, ready, go. Easy, yeah. It's very easy. You can. Gradual process, you can't learn it every time. Or to really good. I mean, your left leg. Let's go. Your hand. Smile. I know you've got. Let's try. 1, 2, ready, go. Jen, it's okay. Can't wait. Let's go. Same thing. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Easy. Sorry. Thank you.
So why do you want to tarnish my image in this place? Are you the only lady here? Look at how my clients are complaining about your bad attitude everywhere. I'm sorry, man. I'm not a prostitute, and I'm not used to sleeping around with different men. Shut up! Shut the fucking up! I am losing money and you're talking rubbish. Bitch up! Mama! Where are you? Come and take this bucket out of here! Get out! Make sure you keep on this truth, okay? I'm sorry. Take it off! I'm sorry. Take it off! Take it off! Enough! Next time, she will learn her lesson. Stop it. You're playing with Flora the Dawn. You're playing with Flora the Dawn. Deal with her mercilessly! Nonsense. Next time she will learn her lesson.
Keep quiet! Keep quiet! Keep quiet! Keep quiet!
I'm sorry, I will not do it again.
Stop that, madam. Go against your other son, please, Flora. Huh? You have the right to go against your other
I'm sorry.
That's fine for ourselves. Deal with that.
I'm sorry.
Come on, keep quiet. Keep quiet.
I promise so. Before you know it's something.
Okay. Show your stomach. Okay, take it.
Let's go.
What's going on here?
Miss Flora ordered me to deal with her.
I'm sorry,
something wrong.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
She did something really bad.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. You have to go back to your city post. I will take over from here. I will.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Very sure.
Let's go. Okay.
Let's go.
What are you doing here?
How did you find me? Are you here to take me out of this awful place?
Listen. I and Michael have been looking for you.
Really?
How did you end up here?
They kidnapped me now.
Those jacks?
Yes. I don't know what happened. I'm just tired. I don't like it here. Take me out, please. How did you know this wicked woman? I don't know what's going on here.
I don't want her to see your phone. You know what I will do? I will tell Michael you are here. Okay. He will come here and you have to play out. Okay. When he comes, just pretend as if you don't know him.
Okay.
You know I can't keep him out here. She will kill us. I'm sorry about this. I have to go now before she sees us talking. My friend, she will kill us. Do you want us to die?
I don't like it, yes. I don't like it.
Michael will come, okay? He will come. Don't say that if you don't know him.
So where is she? Madam, she's inside.
Let's go. Hey, come. How are you?
I'm fine, as you can see.
Has anyone ever told you that you're so beautiful?
Are you trying to make me fall for you or what?
Hey, come on. I wouldn't do that. Listen, tell me, whatever you want me to do for you, right now, I will do it.
You will give me whatever I want?
Of course, yes, I will.
Okay. I need 500,000 naira.
You need 500,000 naira?
Yeah.
Fine. I'll give you 500,000 naira this evening.
Really? You will?
Of course, yes. Alright?
Okay.
Let's go inside. Come.
But don't forget the money.
No, I will not forget.
Okay.
Come. Alright, ladies, so you guys are welcome. Okay?
Thank you.
In our modeling brand. You know, beauty, I think you are getting used to this stuff, right? That is good. So, I will really throw light to you guys about what you guys are about to engage yourselves to. You understand? See, modeling job is a well-known job that everyone finds happy doing. Do you know why? Because of the benefit, the excessive benefits in it. Now, you as a model, you know, you find favor easily by the people, companies, you become brand ambassador of a lot of companies and all that. And it's not just for everybody. I am sure before my sister selected you guys, there must be something she finds so wonderful about you both. Likewise, because just like beauty here, you guys are looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So you see, modeling is a work of selection. You don't just pick up anybody from the street and expect the person to come and become a model. So there are things to consider: your physiological representation, your morphological presentation, and all that they are being considered before you be selected. So I would say it's a great privilege for you guys to might have been selected by my sister. My sister saw the quality in both of you that made her to select you both. Now, it is something that not just anyone uses on the street, so it's a privilege for you guys. Then the benefit of you guys being model, selected cruelty that are expressed among people. You're not just a common person along the street and all that. Well, I won't be joining you guys regularly because I have other things to take care of. But my sister will be employing someone who is very competent enough to take you guys on the stage by stage of the things you have to do. You all are privileged to hear. You're welcome.
Going to, are they going to pay nothing to become top model?
Of course, like I said earlier, you will be recognized. Many companies will come for you. You'll be shown on the television. You become celebrities. So that's the good thing about it. So you'll be well paid. They won't even be the ones to pay you whatever thing they like. You will be the one to tell them your prices. Of course. So it's a great privilege and it is worth doing well. It's a nice thing you guys are here.
Same for me.
Yes. Here's the money I promised you earlier. Go and hide it. Don't let anyone else see it. Alright?
Yeah.
Come out.
Oh, let's keep this money now. Oh, okay. My bad. It will not be too late. What I do? What I do? Okay, no problem. I know what to do.
Inside life no the balance at all. Some are free, some are in bondage because of their quest for money. Then go promise you, say the journey go easy. But when you come, story go change. Oh, take life with it. No do pass yourself. No one knows what tomorrow brings. Be careful what to do. Follow life with it. No do pass yourself. Inside life no the balance at all. Follow life with it.
Hello babe, where are you? I just entered the house. You're not here. You did very foul. I just need to speak to you right now, please. I'm not fine. I just need to talk to somebody, seriously. I'm not fine at all. Okay, do and come back now, Biko, please. What is it? Eh? What is it? Stop calling me. Stop disturbing me, please. Just let me be. We are not having any conversation again. Really? Oh, really? You're shouting at me? Really? Really? I can't believe this. I can't believe I am in a relationship with I don't even know what to call you. Like I regretted the day I started having a thing to do with you. Ha! Jesus. is it that you do for a living? I am asking you, what is it that you do for a living? Oh my God, I can't believe. Stop calling me! For the last time, stop calling me. Don't ever call this line again. Are you threatening me? Oh really? Bring it on then. Hello? What is it? I thought I told you not to call my line again. I told you not to call my line again. Yes. Until you tell me what you do for a living. Stop shouting at me. Stop shouting at me. I'm not your maid. At least I have something that I'm doing and it's very open. It's legal too. What do you do for a living? Eh? You say? Oh really? I'm not interested. Yes. Yes, I'm not. Just go. I'm no longer interested. Let me be doing what I'm doing. I'm okay with my own the little I'm doing. I'm just okay. Just go. Oh, really? What? Oh, really? So if you can't have me, no one else will. We'll see about that. No, we'll see about that. I will always cut the phone anytime I want. The phone is mine.
Mama, you look so pretty. Damn. Woo! It's bouncy, Mama. You know, I'm just like you, Mama. You look so pretty. Your girl is back, Mama. Steph, what are you doing in Nigeria? Come on, Mom. I miss you. I miss you so much. I asked you not to come back to Nigeria here. Come on, Mama. Things wasn't going well for me, Ma. I lost my job. That's not enough reason. Huh? You have a house of your own. And I sent goddamn fucking money always to you. No, Mom, come stop it. I expect you to be happy that your girl is back. No, not like this. Yes. What's
up, Mom. Why are you doing this? Are you telling me I'm not welcome in my own mama's house?
Excuse you?
No, don't be a bad mom. I never know you to be a bad mom. You have always been a good mama. Come on. Get used to it, Mom. I have come to stay. Trust me. You have
my money.
Oh!
Will you drive up this compound before I sniff life out of you?
Hell no, Mom. Stop it. Mama, stop it. Stop it. I said it, but you used to me. Be used to me. I don't like. Hey, my nigga. Go get my thing.
Alright, madam.
Drive off this compound now!